So this video is probably long overdue, but I figured while I'm in the middle of moving apartments back home, things are pretty crazy, I can actually do like a quick walkthrough of my car, what it is and what parts I've installed on it, what changes I've made to it, which is pretty extensive, and give you a pretty good overview of like the focal point of my channel, which is the car. So why don't we just go and do that? Yep. Okay, so the car itself is a 87 Mazda RX7. Apologies, my bumper is sitting right there. I'll put it back on. 87 Mazda RX7. It is gloss black, painted by the previous owner, as you can see here. The car was originally factory red. I had the door panels off. Sorry, don't mind that. It actually looks like a proper American drift car because it doesn't really look too good. It doesn't really look too good. But inside you can see you have all my pre-mixing shenanigans right there. Bucket seat, the usual drift car goodies, right? Quick release right there. I wish I can get more light here. Yeah, there you go. Quick release right there. AM wideband, boost gauge, and that speedometer panel thing used to be red. I sort of took it apart, spray painted it black. Looks less annoying now. And yeah, there you go. No center console. So please don't try to break into my car. There's nothing in there. The other set of R32 wheels sitting in the trunk there. Big fan of RWB. Also a big fan of Nardi Dogfight. S4 taillights. Love S4s. Kakimoto Racing exhaust, as you can see there. Kakimoto Racing exhaust. These are real R33 wheels. Get Excite sticker, R32 wheels. And the front mount. By the way, this is an authentic TBO hood scoop vent that I ordered from Japan. Pretty cool. Okay, so I have a CX Racing front mount intercooler. Koyo Rad, of course. Bunch of blue accents and the engine base sort of dress it up a bit. You got the Bosch battery here. Lightweight aluminum pulleys there. Samco hoses. Air intake, obviously. The motor itself is a Stage 3 streetport built by IR Performance. I got a power steering rack that I recently changed that I'll show you guys in another video. But yeah, aside from that, it's a pretty decent engine. Puts out about 300 horsepower or so. Great intake elbow. Cool stuff. Nice and simple. It's wired to a Haltech PS1000. Actually, let's have a seat inside. Let's see what's going on here. Okay. Here we are inside the car. I have an ACT heavy duty clutch. Gets the job done for what this car is, which is a street car. Little bandana going on here. But yeah, I mean, it's the usual bits that you would normally have for a street car that you take to the track. Here and there, Broadway mirror. And have the Haltech mounted up right there. Cleanly. And I might cover this panel up just to make it a little bit more clean. But yeah, that's pretty much the inside of my car. I have a 340mm Nardi, believe it or not. This is like the perfect size in my opinion. It's literally the perfect size in my opinion. It's not too big like a 350, not too small like a 330, 340. The way to go here. And that's what this is. I got enough leg room. I can get in and out the car without taking it off. It's not too overbearing to look at, right? The car is power steering, so I don't need that much leverage, so I can deal with the smaller wheel, but I want something that sort of accents the interior nicely in terms of size, so this is it. So yeah, that's my car. I got the glitter sparkly, it's a FRP bucket seat from Touge factory. I think it's a Bride replica. I have authentic Bride rails, which I'm going to be switching out soon as well. But aside from that, that's my car. I have exterior wise, I have Shine Auto side skirts, our Magic reps, the RE-Amemiya rear wing, sunroof. I have knuckles on the front, so I kind of spaced out the wheel, so I might get front fenders. And I also have a Shine Auto front bumper. Here's what it looks like somewhat on the car. Not really, I'm just being lazy right now, my apologies. And we're walking. So this is my little storage area up here next to my BMW wheels. You can see the car. You can see the car down there. You ever sit there and just admire the damn thing? Right now, even though the whole thing is falling apart and it needs to be cleaned desperately. Anyway. So I'm up here and I have the new seat rails. So I'll probably just take them home, unbox them. Probably do like an overhead shot because my stand is home right now.